Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been using TikTok PayLater and now you are wondering can you actually convert this into Gcash, the short answer is yes, you can. With some tricks you can definitely do it. So in this video I will show you two simple ways to turn your TikTok PayLater credits into the real Gcash money step by step using the updated methods as of 2025. This guide is especially helpful if you want to use your TikTok funds outside of the app, like for bills or mobile load or cash spending. Also make sure to check out the links in the description. I have added all the tools, trusted seller recommendations and walkthroughs to help you get started quickly and safely. Now without further delay, let's get straight into this tutorial and our first method. So first of all, we are going to convert TikTok live rewards to Gcash. This is the easiest and the cleanest method if you are active on TikTok. So when you go to the go live on TikTok option, viewers can actually send you gifts like coins, roses and other digital items. So TikTok is going to convert these gifts into diamonds, which can be then redeemed as real money. So here is how you can basically do it. First of all, you need to open your TikTok app and then you just have to log in into your account. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner and here you will see balance among all the given options. So tap on balance and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here you will see your estimated balance and here in the monetization section you will see live rewards. So once you tap on this option, you will be landed on this page where you will see all of your available rewards in the top, and underneath it you will see withdraw option, as well as in some of the accounts based on your country you will also see the exchange option. So you can either tap on the exchange option or you can even tap on the withdraw option. Over here you need to make sure that you have some balance in your account for the withdraw option to get activated. Once you tap on withdraw, you need to choose Gcash as your payment method. You must link your Gcash account with TikTok and then TikTok will transfer the money directly once the withdrawal is approved. This is great if you are a creator or someone who goes live regularly. It turns your audience support into the real spendable cash. Now since TikTok PayLater is buy now pay later service, you can also do this method if you are not a creator. So you can basically buy a digital product and then you can exchange it for Gcash, and here is how you can basically do it. First of all, you need to come on the home page of your TikTok app and here in the bottom of it, instead of friends, you will see TikTok shop option. Now once you are in your TikTok shop, you just have to simply search for the digital products, like you can search for game credit. Once you are able to find your product, you just have to simply pick the seller, and you need to pick the seller that has good reviews and make sure they accept the pay later service. At the checkout point, you just have to simply choose TikTok pay later and complete that payment. After that transaction, you can chat with the seller and you can ask if they can convert the product into Gcash transfer instead. Most of the digital sellers will happily send the value to the Gcash account directly if you request politely. If not, you can use the load to pay option to someone and you can ask them to pay you back in Gcash. You can sell the item to a friend for Gcash as well, and it's not a direct transfer, you must be wondering, but it's a smart workaround that helps you unlock the value of your pay later credit. Now here are some of the bonus tips that you need to remember before actually using any of these methods. First of all, only buy from the trusted and verified sellers. Avoid sharing any of the sensitive data like Gcash OTPs or your login credentials. You need to use your TikTok's chat feature to actually negotiate and confirm before buying. You need to track your pay later spending to avoid any overdue balances. Remember that pay later is a loan and you will still need to repay it in the future, so only convert what you really need. If you face any kind of problem on any of these methods, you can also try to contact with the TikTok customer service about it. For that, you need to simply click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, then go to settings and privacy. Now you need to scroll down and here you will see the support option. So you need to tap on support and select the option of help center. Now in the help center, you can basically chat with the TikTok customer service and you can ask them anything about the TikTok Pay Later service and how you can use Gcash with that. So if this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more money hacks. And if you have any problem, you can comment below and I will try to give you more methods or try to help you out with that. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.